So today we are going to be unboxing some Pokemon cards.
Check.
Okay? Okay. Now, let's see what cards are in here.
Because we just got them for Christmas.
And we waited to open these. First off, we have a Pikachu Mega Charizard Y. Stop eating. Then we have a Pikachu Mega Diane. Okay, can you leave a comment what the heck this is? Okay. The next one we have is Pikachu Mega Lucario. I'll show that to you right now. Next up, we have Shining Charizard. Eden. Next, we have Pikachu. Just normal Pikachu.
So cute.
And now we have Special Delivery Pikachu.
That looks cute.
Okay. Then we have this Pikachu.
That looks like superhero.
If I find any rare, and if I find any rare cards and I don't react, it might be because I don't get surprised by Pokemon cards. Now we have a Charizard. Now we have a Charizard V that does 545 damage. Look at this. You might not be able to see it, but look at all that damage. Next, we have Pikachu Mega Sableye.
Are you having some home-fried potatoes from breakfast too?
Yes. Next, we have Pikachu Mega Sableye. Eden,
I don't want
Mega. Eden,
you're in the background.
Now we have Mega Charizard X. The Mega Charizard X. Now we have Mewtwo EX.
Stop putting them on me.
Okay. Sorry. Now we have Rainbow Charizard GX.
I have to go to here.
Now we have the normal blue Charizard GX. Ooh, a tag team. Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard GX. Why is there so many GXs? I do not know.
I'm just playing.
Mewtwo and Mew GX. This Pokemon can use the attacks of any Pokemon. Oh, but it has to be a GX. Pretty good. Another normal Pikachu. Pikachu V. Pikachu Mega Ampharos. Now we have a Zacian. Now we have Zacian V. I'll show that. Okay. Now there is Shadow Mewtwo. Does 90 plus damage. Zamazenta V. Zamazenta V. Also, these cards are not fake. I don't know why people keep calling gold cards fake. They're not fake. Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle. GX. Why is there so many GXs? Now we have Umbreon and Darkrai GX. But I like to call it the Death Group. Because they look like they're about to kill me. Next we have Mew V. No! I dropped all my cards! Eden, can you show the slime to them while I pick up my cards?
Okay.
Or you can stop it.
This is
No,
a
I'm not
slime.
doing it.
And I did not make this.
Okay.
I made it from Santa. Santa gave me the slime and glitter. I just put it in the glitter.
If you like slime, then it's a lucky clip for you. But it's only going to take about 5 minutes.
You love slime. I need fun. Look, I need to show you that fun. See? 1 second.
Hey, yo.
So silly. So you say excuse.
Okay.
Say excuse. Say it.
Okay, just enough.
And this is
Okay, back to the Pokemon cards. Okay.
That's my turn.
Blastoise VMAX.
Stop putting it in front of me.
Eden, I'm sorry, but it's impossible to do that. Stop. Pikachu VMAX. Sentai Squelch VMAX.
Eden,
What?
did you practice the paper dog, please?
Yeah.
Galarian Diamanitin VMAX. And this Rainbow Rare.
Oh, we better not be getting sick again.
More Pico VMAX. No, more Pico V.
Getting a tickly nose.
Charzard V.
Yeah. That's what me.
Look how cool this is. Warning, warning, warning. If you see stuff in the background and you see this house and you see the stuff in the background of this video out from the window, don't steal my Pokemon cards. Okay? That's a lesson. Now I have a Shining Charizard VMAX.
Warning.
Wait, I don't think this is a Shining Charizard.
Another warning. I want to do a warning.
No.
You don't let me do anything.
Whatever. A Shining Charizard VMAX.
Warning.
Stop eating.
You don't let me do anything in the video.
Venusaur, Eden, you can show them the slime and you can talk. Just don't do any warnings. Venusaur, Charizard, and Blastoise VMAX.
This is a.
Tag team.
I don't like it.
It doesn't matter what you don't like.
I don't like the Pokemon video.
I don't care.
It's ugly.
I don't care.
It's ugly.
Stop or else you're out of the video.
I don't want to be in the video.
Charizard V.
And I'm gonna make my own video.
Does 535,000
I've
damage.
done a bowling video
Stop it.
Video. I love the video.
Grim Snarl VMAX. Magikarp and Warlord GX. Does 180 damage. Not that much, but whatever. Gardevoir and Sylveon GX. Please do not say I'm dumb because I'm messing up the Pokemon names. Pikachu and Zekrom GX. Also, the reason I never upload videos is because my mom won't upload any. I make lots of videos on her phone and she doesn't upload them. So if you're wondering, oh my God, where's part 2 of Arian Eaton's Gaming? Surviving on a Minecraft tower. It's not my fault, it's Mom's. Shining Charizard V. Pikachu Mega Altaria. Also, the Pikachu in costumes are the most rarest cards. Now, who's that Pokemon? It's Meowth VMAX. Who's that Pokemon? It's Lapras VMAX. Who's that Pokemon? It's Charizard VMAX. Stop. Another Charizard VMAX. A Dracafood VMAX. This might actually be the Shining Charizard VMAX.
Who's that Pokemon?
Who's that Pokemon? Rainbow Pikachu VMAX.
It's her favorite Pokemon.
Wait, yes it
That
is.
he got from Christmas.
Charizard V. Stop. More Pico VMAX. Wait, I have the evolution of Morpeko V.
I need to get my watch. You cannot see what's in
Charizard VMAX. Well, look at this. Look at the attacks. It's different. No, where's the other Charizard VMAX? You see here. Even for Dracafu, it says G Max Wildfire. But for this one it's different. Look. It says Whirlpool Hellfire and Super Giant Hell Flame Extinguisher. So I think I should name this Hell Charizard. Stop, but why are you crying?
Because it's scary.
Who's that Pokemon? It's Pikachu Mega Rayquaza. Shining Charizard GX. Yes. I have the first version Charizard. This one card could make me a millionaire.
No.
Pikachu V.
Still dry.
Charizard VMAX. Also, I do have lots of Charizards. And this is my final card. I'm gonna make you guess. Okay. Who's that Pokemon? I'm gonna give you 3 options. It is either a Pikachu V, Charizard V, or Shining Charizard VMAX. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guessed Charizard V, you are correct. Okay, now that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing all these cards, especially the first version Charizard.
Because it could make him
a millionaire. And until the next time.